You're only a touch away from perfection. A push away from unmatched precision. Introducing the Kitchen Wizz 16. There's a chute for every size, with the extra wide feed chute. Fit ingredients in whole without the extra prep. Chop, slice, mix, shred, French fry and knead with flawless consistency. Thanks to precision engineering. High torque to handle the toughest jobs. Designed to handle tumbles and falls. Colour-coordinated accessories for seamless meal prepping. Dishwasher safe with a place to call home. You're a touch away from mastery. With the Kitchen Wizz 16 from Breville.